Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can fix your auto restart problem in your device Samsung A73 5G and A53 5G. So if you're facing auto restart problem in your device Samsung A73 5G and A53 5G, you can fix it by following the few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can fix your auto restart problem in your device.